Alright, I am back in the truck. I don't have my snow boots on. It's not snowing. So, we're just going to start messing around. Yeah. Alright, that looks about good. Gotta shut this thing up. Why do you want to mess with a brother like me? Alright, boom. So now, guess y'all can just watch me do this. Find the latch. Yesterday, or the last time I was in this truck, I got these pliers under the hood when I shut it. So I had to use one of them plumber tools. Forgot what they're called. But so now we're just gonna hop out of here. What's my name and don't lie. And I'm asking Officer why. So now I'll just put these in my pocket for a second. One-handed. Hold up, I'm gonna need to put y'all down for a second. Alright, we're back. So I guess I'll figure out a way to do something. I'll just stay down there in the darkness for a second. Pick this up. Alright, boom. There we go. Now, I'm just gonna mess around. Let's check the power distribution box. AC relay, fog lamps. Oh, that's not good. We don't even have any fog lights. What do you mean fog lamps? Well, we don't have that. EC power relay, we have that. Fuel pump, we have that. Diode, no clue what that is, but yeah. Oh God, we're missing these four. I think I have the extra ones. Down here somewhere. That's the last time when I got snow in here. Ouch, just hit my head on the gear shifter. I think there's something up there.